Master prompt engineering in minutes. Want to get mind-blowing results from ChatGPT? It all starts with prompt engineering. In this video, I'll show you how to write smarter prompts to unlock the full power of AI, whether you're a student, freelancer, marketer, or entrepreneur. Let's master prompt engineering in 2025 step by step. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the art of communicating with AI effectively. The better your prompt, the better the response you'll get. Think of it like giving precise instructions to a super intelligent assistant. If you're vague, results suffer. But if you're clear and structured, you win. Prompt is input plus context plus clarity plus instruction, types of prompts that work. Here are the four most powerful types of prompts. Role-based prompts. Act as a marketing expert. Create a 7-day content plan for Instagram. Step-by-step prompts. Explain how to start a digital business, step by step. Format. Specific prompts. Write a blog post in Markdown format with SEO best practices. Refinement prompts. Rewrite this paragraph to sound more persuasive and professional. Real examples and live demonstration. Let's test a prompt live inside ChatGPT and compare a bad versus a well-engineered one. Write about digital marketing. Act as a digital marketing expert and write a beginner-friendly blog post on email marketing strategies with 3 actionable tips. See the difference? Context and clarity make AI 10x more effective. Bonus tips for 2025. In 2025, AI is smarter but also more nuanced. So here are 3 expert-level tips. Use system messages like, "You are a senior developer with 10 years experience." Stack your prompts logically if you're building workflows. Always review and refine. Don't accept first drafts blindly. Now you're no longer just a user. You're a prompt engineer. Mastering this skill will supercharge everything, from content creation to coding and marketing. If this helped, hit like or subscribe and comment Prompt Pro if you want a free prompt cheat sheet.